Hey guys, in this video I want to do the unboxing of the Penoval second USI pen with eraser on the top and screw type nibs. I will also give my first impression of the pen and compare it shortly to other USI pens which I have here. But before we get started, let's talk about pricing. The new USI pen from Penoval with eraser, or the second model, costs right now in Germany around 57 euro. The old model costs around 50 euro. So it might make the purchase in the first model a mistake if the quality of the pen is similar or even better than the old generation. I have here also three other pens: Penoval's first model, Lenovo's USI pen, USI1.0, and HPX11's USI pen with wireless charging. The Penoval's first gen USI pen was also sold in Germany under Andana branding. Hope you guys will enjoy this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe. So let's just start with the unboxing of the new Penoval USI pen. It's a really nice packaging. Let's start with the pen itself. It has a dark gray color and it only weighs 13 grams compared to the old one which weighed 20 grams, and it feels lighter in the hand. The pen tip looks better than the old one, as this form factor provides better pen experience compared to the old one, as you guys see in the video, so they are quite different with each other. The pen has a USB-C port for charging and an LED indicator next to it to show that if the battery is low or if it's charging. The top surface is the eraser, which is the highlight of this pen. The pen feels really comfortable in hand. I like the color. It's not completely round. Feels better than old pens that I tried in this channel, so it's light and comfortable to hold. The first gen USI pen from Penoval is thicker and it's also heavier and it's also more round shaped. Let's continue with the unboxing and see what else is inside of the box. We have here a small packaging, and beside that there is nothing else inside of the package here. And inside of this packaging here we have the replaceable pen tip. So there is one extra replaceable pen tip included inside of the package. It's also really nicely packed here, and there's a small sketch here which shows how you can remove the pen tip and replace it. Let's see what else is inside of the box here. We have some paperwork included, and surprisingly there is a short USB-A to USB-C cable. So you can connect the USB-C port to your pen, and from the USB-A part you can connect it to your laptop or another charger. And that's all included inside of the packaging here. One more thing, Penoval's first gen pen uses 4A battery to work, and the new one, as I mentioned before, uses the USB-C port, so you don't need to have an external battery there. Let's start with the main features of this 57 euro USI pen. The pen has a fast charging capability. It means 5 minutes of charging will offer 9-hour writing, and 50-minute charging offers 90-hour writing based on what is found in Penoval's website. So when it's charging, the LED indicator turns orange. On the top we have the eraser, which somehow in Penoval's website it's written that it only supports few Chromebooks. And unfortunately I have only HPX11 and Lenovo Duet here to test it, and these devices are supported, so I cannot say if it works with other Chromebooks or not. The next highlight of the pen is the pen tip, which you can easily remove it. This pen tip is also similar to what we have in HPX11. So I'm not sure if you can actually attach the tip from HPX11 to the new Penoval USI pen. As you guys see also in the video, they are quite similar here. Let me try to take out the pen tip from the HPX11 and compare it shortly with the Penoval's one. As you guys see in the close-up video here, they are really similar. I can try later to see if I can swap the pen tips. And surprisingly, both of these pens weigh 13 grams. The first thing that I want to test in this video is the magnet capability of the pen. Sometimes it's useful to attach the pen to the device when you're not using it. So HPX11 has a strong magnet, but as you guys see in the video, the pen is not attaching to the device here. I will try it now also with the Lenovo Duet, and as you guys see also here, the pen is not attaching to the device also. Let's start with the writing experience. I will start with the Squid application, which is an Android application, And it's one of the most responsive Android application that you can find for Chromebooks. As you guys see, my handwriting is not that good, but generally it's really responsive here. Everything is fluid, there is no lags, and the pressure sensitivity works as well. And it's quite really nice pen. It's comfortable to write. Eraser, as you guys see also here in the video, it works also really good. The app supports the eraser here. As I said, the Lenovo Duet also should work. I will try also on the Lenovo Duet to see if it would work. In the beginning, because of the changing the device, it's a little bit weird, 1 second, but now it writes quite well. And the eraser, as you guys see, also works on the Lenovo Duet, same way as on the HP X11. Let's now try it on the Cursive application, which is a progressive web app from Google. And as you guys see here, also it writes perfect and there is no lag and the eraser works well. Next, I will use the Write Android application, which is also a free writing application. This app also has some unique features which I like. Writing is fluid, and the eraser works as well, similar to the other application which I used. I will now try it on the OneNote application. It's an Android application and it's a paid application. I like my handwriting in this app, but it's generally more laggier than the other apps, so there is an input delay here. And when you move your hand a little bit fast, the writing also gets worse. I think the writing experience is similar to the HP X11's pen, which I have here. As you guys see, I'm trying to write with both of them, and I have the feeling that they are similar, but I have to test it a little bit more. Let's now try the eraser. Unfortunately, the eraser doesn't work, and it's funny that this is a paid application and the eraser doesn't work. And I will try to now to erase it, and kind of it works as a swipe here that is detects at the finger. It's a little bit weird how it works. I will now shortly try it on the Canvas. It's a progressive web application from Google. It's mainly for painting. As you guys see, it writes well, it's good for drawing, and the eraser works. Let's have a close-up look at how the pen writes. Almost no lag in Cursive progressive web application here. And I can only say that it's really responsive and it's really comfortable to hold. The pen is really comfortable. So my first impression about this pen is really positive. It's comfortable to hold and it's light-weighted. It's responsive, the pen tip is sturdy, and eraser works for most of the cases. The only app which it didn't work was the paid OneNote Android application. I hope the eraser is supported in more devices than what is stated in official website. It has also fast charging and easy pen tip removal, and compared to the first gen Penoval pen, it is a really good upgrade. In the market, there are so many different 1.0 USI pens that you can buy for your Chromebooks. HP X11 pen, of course, you can also buy, but it makes sense only if you have the HP X11 device. Penoval's second USI pen with eraser might be the best USI pen that you can get for your Chromebooks which support USI 1.0. In my next video, I will give my full opinion about this pen. Of course, I will compare it with other pens, and I will tell you guys if it is really the best USI 1.0 pen that you can get or not. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more reviews.